So, welcome to the Garage, hosted by myself, Mr. Holliness, and my homie right here, my ride or die, Bone. What's up, Bone? Oh, okay, you up today. So, me and Bone are going to tell you how you can make some extra money. We're going to keep it simple. We're going to tell you how you can make some extra money. We'll touch up on 811. We'll tell you what the table of truth is. We won't go into it, but we'll just tell you what it is. We'll tell you what Bones health tips to die by, where those come from. I don't know where, but that's all him. And then we'll end it with how we can look out for each other. So let's talk about the money first, because money gets everybody's attention. Got your attention too, I see. So the way you can make some extra money, it's very easy and it's very simple. Start you a virtual dispensary. Got these things. Start you a virtual dispensary, and you can be on your way to making some money. And you're saying, "Well, I don't smoke cannabis." You don't have to smoke cannabis. Do you think every person who owns a McDonald's is eating Big Macs? Do you think every person who owns a chicken place is eating chicken all day? No. You can own a virtual dispensary and you don't have to smoke cannabis. Come on now, wake up. But anyway, if you own a virtual dispensary, there is no overhead cost. There's no lease. There's no rent. You don't have to worry about paying employees. You don't have to worry about having security guards. You don't have to worry about an alarm system. You don't worry about none of that because there's no overhead cost. Think about this. You also get what I call increased reach. And you're probably saying, what is increased reach? What I mean by increased reach is people from all over the globe can buy your products. As long as they have a phone, an address, um, a computer, internet, you get what I'm saying? As long as they have those things, they can buy your products from wherever they are and they can have it shipped to them wherever they are. So you can always make money. Now, think about this. If you're a customer of a virtual dispensary, like this dude. Yeah, he's an owner too, but he act more like a customer. If you're a customer of a virtual dispensary, people can buy that doesn't even make sense. People can buy from you 24 hours, 7 days a week from anywhere. So you can do this. I mean, you're doing it now. Matter of fact, let me show you something. You've already did it. You did it. And what are you talking? You're probably saying, what is he talking about? I did what? You made it to this channel and you listening to me. That's a lot because I know I make mistakes. And by the way, let me say this. I don't edit none of my videos because I don't have time for that. And I don't mind making mistakes. Count my mistakes and let me know how many mistakes I make. And then tell me how many I make. And then next time I'll try to make one less mistake. But moving on. What was I talking about? We were talking about the virtual dispensary. Oh yeah. So back to that. Now, if you're a customer of a virtual dispensary, guess what? You can order anytime, 24 hours, 7 days a week. There's no face-to-face interaction. You can send your products anywhere. And guess what? A lot of people don't know this. You can take your products through the airport. And yes, I said it. These products that I'm talking about, you can take it through the airport and they can't do nothing. Nothing. And I'm telling you this because I know this from experience. So if you want to own a virtual dispensary, or if you just want to be a customer of a virtual dispensary, because maybe you can't get out, maybe you're in a wheelchair or you're having some health issues and you just need it delivered to you. This is right for you. Now, to get started, you got to send Bone an email. Right. Him. You're going to send Bone an email. You're going to email Bone at thegarage@gmail.com. I'm going to say it one more time. Thegarage@gmail.com. And I'm going to spell it for you. It is TheGorauge. TheGorauge. at gmail.com. Email him and you'll be on your way to owning your own virtual dispensary, or you can be a customer of a virtual dispensary. It doesn't matter. You ready for them emails, Bone? You ready? See? Even he's ready. He know what's up. Now, moving forward, let's talk about 811. Matter of fact, taking that, Bone. Let's talk about 811. 811 is a nationally recognized phone number that you call before you dig. I was looking at something. Like I said, it's a nationally recognized phone number that you call before you dig, 811. And a lot of people don't know this. It is the law to call 811. Yes, I said law, LAW. It is the law to call 811 before you dig. So before you plant a tree, you got to call 811. Before you want to repair one of your sprinklers, you're supposed to call 811. And the reason why you call 811 is to find out where the underground utilities are, such as phone line, TV line, or more importantly, you need to know where those water lines are, that gas line, and that power line that can electrocute you if you hit it and potentially die. And yes, you can die from hitting or damaging, as they say, a underground utility. So I got a better idea for you. This is what you can do. If you're confused about 811, if you're confused about underground utilities, if you're confused about Diggler, any of that stuff, you can send a email to a company called Ground Vision. That's right. You can email Ground Vision and they will answer any questions that you have about 811, any questions that you have about underground utilities, or any questions that you have about Diggler as a whole. Heck, if you want Ground Vision to take care of your Diggler ticket, they'll do that too. Now, here is the email address for Ground Vision. It is groundvisioninc at gmail.com. I'm going to say it one more time. And it's spelled just like it's spelled just how it sounds in a dictionary. Ground Vision Inc. at gmail.com. Email Ground Vision and they will take care of you regarding 811 dig alert, underground utilities, all that good stuff. Because that's why we're dressed like this, because we do some of that stuff. Now, moving on to the table of truth. We're not bringing nobody to the table of truth today because I didn't prepare quick enough for this video. I'm just be honest with you. We're not bringing nobody to the table of truth, but I will tell you what the table of truth is. The table of truth is when we bring a product, a person, a destination, we bring it to the table, and it's not literally a table, but it's we bring it to the table and we talk about it. We talk about it and we expose it for what it really is, and we just tell the truth. That's all. Now, as far as Bones, that's Bone right here, just so y'all know. This is Bone. As far as Bones health tips to die by, and I literally mean die by if you listen to him, um, you will die if you listen to his health tips. But he gives out his 5 health tips to die by. And the reason why he gives out those health tips is hopefully you don't want to die and look like him. That's why he's a skeleton, bones. He's dead, but he can still function. But really, see what I mean? See what I mean? But anyway, so we have Bones health tips to die by. Um, and you know what? I'm gonna give you one of his health tips. It's called don't sleep or no sleep, whatever he calls it. He says skip sleep, party hard, and function on caffeine all day. It's not like the party, I mean, not like the party. It's not like the body needs rest. You can burn out the body fast, and then you'll be on your way to looking just like him. So, anyway, I kind of screwed that all up, but you know what? That's the great thing about not editing when you just don't care. You just sit here, it's called being real and raw. Now, let's move on to how we look out for each other. And this is how we look out for each other. I'm gonna look out for you. You gonna look out for me and Bone. And this is how. You're gonna send me and Bone an email, and you're gonna average. You're gonna tell us what you sell, what it is you advertising, what you do. Heck, you might want to sing. I don't know. Whatever it is you do, and we're gonna talk about it right here on this channel. We're gonna tell everybody about it, and we're gonna promote it. And that's how we look out for you. And the way you're going to look out for us is easy. You can like our channel, you can share our channel, you can do both. And guess what else? You can tell somebody. That would be awesome. Now, the way you're going to do that is you're going to email me and Bone at thegorage@gmail.com, TheGorauge@gmail.com. You're going to email us and we're going to hook you up. And then, like I said, you're going to hook us up. We about to get out of here. Um, say something, Bone. Say something. Oh, he going with the peace sign again. That's fine. I'll take the peace sign. Peace to y'all. Have a good one.